Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and today is our NPIP day. So we are waiting for our inspector to show up, which is Jim, and we're gonna go through the whole process today. So I'm excited, stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Jim from the Ohio Poultry Association. I'm the authorized agent for the NPIP program here in Ohio. And I'm here to remind everybody to be extra careful about their biosecurity in their flocks this year. We have a higher than normal circulation of the AI pathogen in wild birds. So we just want to be sure that that doesn't get into domestic poultry. My job as an authorized agent is to go out to the small flocks in Ohio and test them for avian influenza and pullorum and make sure that there are no circulating AI in Ohio, and we've been very successful with that. I'm here at Myshire monitoring their quail. We do Myshire 4 times a year to make sure that there's no avian influenza here affecting their flocks, and we're just here to help you guys all have healthy flocks.
And what is pullorum?
Pullorum is a bacterial disease that transmits from the mother hen through the egg to her chicks and causes high mortality, and the chicks don't thrive in the chicks. It was a very big deal back in the 30s and 40s, and the National Poultry Improvement Plan, NPIP or NPIP program was established to eliminate it, and we are on the last mile. We are very close to declaring the United States free of pullorum, but in the meantime we're still testing for it because we don't want to miss a case that's out there somewhere.
Hey everybody, so it was a lot shorter visit than what I was expecting today. Usually we do 30 to 50 birds of pullorum and 30 to 50 birds of AI testing, and what I did not realize was because we are now considered a hatchery, the AI test is what's most important. The pullorum they're just doing on the side, things like that, but the AI test is what they're really concerned about. So we're going to be tested for AI, which is avian influenza, once a quarter, and then the pullorum we're only going to do once a year. So I'll show you the whole process when we do the entire big thing, but today was just, I think it was 30 birds and 1 out of each cage, and they had to be a certain age and things like that. We went through a bunch of paperwork, a lot of things that he shared with us and what we need to do differently and things like that. We had to hang up some posters, but it was a fairly short visit compared to when he usually is here. So I thought that was kind of interesting. I really do think he had some very interesting things to say, so make sure you don't miss that part. I know it's a little loud in the quail barn, and I apologize, but it was also 6 degrees outside, and I did not feel like asking him if he would be willing to go outside and do it. So we did it in the barn. Everything went well. We're waiting for the results, but he said all the quail looked good, gave us some extra tips on how to be even more safe, and we're excited to have him back in a couple of months. It looks like in June is when we're going to do the whole massive test, and that I will make sure I do a video on. I do have some really good topics on videos I'll be doing. I'm planning on doing one tomorrow, so stay tuned. And how do you guys like my back screen, or my green screen now? I'm working on it, so it's a test run. I'm working on it. Let me know what you think in the comments. We'll see you soon.